Fellow Democrats, I have decided to make myself available for the position of federal leader at the upcoming Federal Congress scheduled to take place on April the 1st and 2nd, 2023 at the Gallagher Convention Center, Midrand, here in the city of Johannesburg.
uDokotela Phalatse ukholwa ukuthi unawo wonke amava adingekayo ukuyisa iqembu iDA phambili. Uthi kunongathembani phakathi kwezakhamuzi zakuleli kanye neDA nokuyinto ke athi uzoyixazulula uma eqokwa.
The DA, I believe in, must stay true to its founding principles of liberalism, which includes promoting and encouraging free speech, even within its own internal structures and platforms.
Ongoti bayangabaza ukuthi uPhalatse angakwazi ukunqoba lo mzuliswano.
My view is that you also need to get the views of your branches or your constituencies in terms of where do they stand about your leadership.
uPhalatse uthi iDA idinga umuntu ozokwazi ukumela zonke izakhamuzi zakuleli futhi kumele uMholi baleliqembu eliphikisa ngokusemthethweni bukwazi ukumela umphakathi ohlale endaweni ezihlukene uma ifuna ukubhincisela nxanye iANC okhethweni lwangonyaka ozayo.